हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एबीपी एकेडमी। मु विजय। आज आम स्टार्ट करूँ स्टेट वाइज जीके सीरीज गोटे स्टार्ट करूँ माने सबू स्टेट को आम कवर करूँ जो थी कि बहुत इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जोटा कि आप एग्जामिनेशन रे कंटिन्यू आसे। तो आम फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करवा ओडिशा रु। फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करवा ओडिशा रु टॉप 50 जीके जोटा एग्जामिनेशन रे कंटिन्यूअसली पचारा जाए, चाहे आपन से ओपीएससी लेवल हो कि ग्रुप डी सर्विसेज को लेवल हो। ठीक अच्छे, बुझी पार्छन तो देखो मु लास्ट भी गोटे गंजाम डिस्ट्रिक्ट क्लर्क बनी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन से रेस्पॉन्स भल आसी। बट से जो लोक अच्छे 50% लोक अच्छे जो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते से वीडियो देखी, तो प्लीज को रिक्वेस्ट करी कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करूँ आ वीडियो को प्लीज लाइक करूँ आ सांग मन सागर सेयार करूँ कि भी फायदा हो पार। बुझीपार यहाँ सब वन लाइनर वन लाइनर बाकी आर मु पीडीएफ टेलीग्राम चैनल देदेवी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक देदेवी टेलीग्राम चैनल रो आप जाके आराम वीडियो पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करेंगे। आप नोट्स बन पारे तो पढ़ी पारे से आम टेलीग्राम और फेसबुक रो भी लिंक थी आपड़ आसी से फॉलो करेंगे। आपको से भी भल इनपुट मिल जो थे आपको एग्जामिनेशन 100% आपको हेल्प कर। ठीक अच्छे, आप समय नष्ट करके आम क्लास स्टार्ट करवा। देखो द इयरलीस्ट रेफरेंस ऑफ कलिंगा एंड ओड्रा वाज मेड बाय महाभारत। लिंगराज टेम्पल of Bhubaneswar built by King Jajati Kesari of the Somavanshi dynasty attributed to which god goddess? Shiva. The administrative part mandalas of the Ganga dynasty refers to provinces. Kapilabada era was introduced by which king? Kapilendra Deva. Who was the first to introduce pilgrimage tax in Odisha? Marathas. Who was the leader of Paika rebellion? Bakshi Jagabandhu. Which among the following was not a tribal movement of Odisha? Udan. The decision of individual civil disobedient movement was taken in which session of ANC? Ramgarh session. What is the length of the coastline of Odisha? 450 km. The term tropical chernozem internationally referred to which soil? Black soil. Who among the following revolted against the sunset law? Ram Krishna Samat Singar. Which incident is compared to the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? The massacre of Irma. Which among the following is not a district of Odisha which is adjacent to the coastal area Jajpur? Which one is responsible for rainfall in Odisha? Southwest monsoon. What is the wettest month in Odisha? July. What is mainly responsible for the red color of red soil? Ferric oxide. When soil remains in its original position, it is called in situ. The total cultivable land of Odisha is what percent of its total geographical area? 40%. The Coconut Development Board of Odisha is situated in which city? Bhubaneswar. 20 number question. What is the annual per capita egg availability in Odisha? 56. Which state witnessed the highest increase in livestock population as per the 20 livestock census? West Bengal. According to the Indian State of Forest Report ISFR 2019, what is the total mangrove covered area of Odisha? 251 square kilometer. What type of forest covers the longest area of Odisha? Tropical moist deciduous forest. Which medicinal plant of Odisha was used as a remedy for snake bite? Sarpagandha. World Wetlands Day is celebrated in which date? 2nd February. Which site of Odisha is famous for its saltwater crocodiles and olive ridley sea turtle? Bhitarkanika mangrove. What is the rank of Odisha in terms of per capita dependence on forest for bamboo? 10th. 28 number. What is the name of wildlife sanctuary is situated near the Hirakud Dam? Debrigarh Wildlife Sanctuary. Which district of Odisha has the highest forest cover as per the India State of Forest Report 2019? Kandhamal. Hental Van is the local name of which type of forest? Mangrove forest. Which medicinal plant of Odisha was used as a remedy of snake bite? Sarpagandha. Second time repeat हो sorry. What is the total number of total Ramsar sites in India as of February 2020? 37. What is the name of the first Indian wetland of international importance under the Ramsar Convention? Chilika. The northern tropical semi-evergreen forest of Odisha are found at an elevation of which of following? Above 600 meter. What is the rank of Odisha in terms of dependence on forest for fuel wood? Second. Mughal crocodile scheme at Ratnatirtha, Jasipur was started in which year? 1979. Which place of Odisha is famous for jewellery work? Barampur. Rengali irrigation project is situated across which river? Brahmani river. Who of the following personalities of Odisha won the PETA People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals Award 2020? Sri Naveen Patnaik. 40 number question. The budget of 2020-21 of Odisha estimated a revenue surplus of what percent? 1.6%. What is the literacy rate percentage of Odisha as per the census 2011? 72.87%. Which of the following film directed by Prafulla Sengupta won National Award in 1960? Sri Loknath. Which of the following films of Odisha won 8 major Odisha State Award in the year 1997? Ahalya. What is the name of the actress of Odisha who once served on the Governing Council of Film and Television Institute of India? FTII. Vijay Jena. The Sarla Samman Award was constituted by the Government of Odisha in which year? 1983. Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management IITTM was set up in Odisha in which year? Also 1983. Most of the paintings of the Kisan tribal community depict which of the following activities? Agricultural activities. Who is the Chief Justice Officer, Chief Executive Officer, CEO of Panchayat Samiti, Block Development Officer, BDO? Paradip Port is situated in which district of Odisha? Jagatsinghpur. Taptapani Hill Station is situated in which of the following district of Odisha? Which? Ganjam district. So 50 क्वेश्चन मैं कहली सांगन जोटा आपन एग्जाम पे बहुत इंपोर्टेंट और बहुत थोड़ा एग्जाम रे आसी सारची क्वेश्चन फ्रीक्वेंटली बहुत थोड़ा पचारा जायछि सेटा मैं आपन पे सॉल्व कर देछि सो प्लीज वीडियो को देखंतु और वीडियो को 100% लाइक करंतु चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु आपन फ्रेंड मन संगे वीडियो को शेयर करंतु सेतरे तांको मन को इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलिबो को टाइप रो क्वेश्चन आसुची एग्जामिनेशन रे तांके भी हेल्प कर तांको भी आपन हेल्प करंतु एग्जाम क्लियर करंतु और खुशी रे चाकरी करंतु सो सांगन जति को मानथिले आपन पे समाप्त हे सारछि थैंक यू जय